Good morning. Day 4, 3 exercises again. Our exercises are going to be a squat with the overhead reach to get the heart rate up like we did before. We're going to do a hip bridge. We're going to extend our normal hip bridge. We're going to do a little kick and then lower down to leg straight. And then we're going to do Pilates toe tap. So standing for the first one, on the ground for the second. Timer is now ticking. Let's get ready. Squat and overhead reach. Nice and quick. Bending the knees. Getting the arms, good stretch up overhead. And as I said before, once the arms go overhead, you're increasing the heart rate. Heart's got to work harder to push the blood against gravity. Here we go. And we're down for hip bridge and kick. So relax down, feet flat on the floor. Bridge, kick, lower down with the leg straight, switch sides. Bridge, kick, lower down, leg straight. Bridge, straighten, and drop down. Working the back side and the hamstrings. Also getting the core involved. Once you're on one leg, your surface is unstable. Works the core a little bit. Keep control on that one. Toe taps are next. Starting off in a tabletop position here. Keep the right angle at the knee. Drop the foot just to touch the floor. Bring it back up. Going to stay on the same side. Touch to the floor. Come back up. You want the thighs vertical to the ground. Shins horizontal like a tabletop. Breathe out as you pull the leg upwards, and that movement comes from the hip, not the knee. Here we go, squats again. I'm going to face this way. Sitting back into your squat. If you feel like you're going to lose your balance, stretch outwards as you sit down in your squat, and then reach up. Reach forward, reach up. Okay, I'm more comfortable with the hands in front. And just getting straight up overhead. And we're back down. Go the other side. Again, feet flat. Lift the hips, squeeze with the backside. Kick, control your descent down. Lift, kick, control your descent down. Trying to keep the pelvis steady and level here. Oops. Multitasking, I just can't do it. So the idea, by keeping the hips steady and level, you're building in the control, working the core. Toe taps in again. Flat on your back, tabletop position. If it's a lot of strain on the thigh, bring the knees a little bit closer to yourself. Otherwise, reaching for the floor with the toe. Try and keep a right angle here at the knee. If it feels like you got nothing happening in the lower part of the stomach here, around waist level or below, what's probably happening is this angle is collapsing here, so keep that straight. Back up, round 3 of squats. Nearly done. Sitting down into it, and up overhead. Little note with the squats, if you have discomfort at the knee, a lot of the time that can be down to the angle of your foot. So if the feet are pointing straight in, I'm probably going to feel pressure on the outside of the knee. Just let the toes turn slightly out. So again, pressure on the outside of the knee, let the toes go out. Pressure on the inside of the knee, turn the toes slightly in. Hip bridge once more. Up, kick, control down. Keeping the hips level. Up, kick, control down. Trying to avoid the hips or the core collapsing down. So trying to avoid this kind of rotation stuff. I'll finish out this rep. Okay, Pilates toe taps, the last one. And just rotate towards you slightly. So we're going to alternate this time. Tap the toe down, exhale up, other foot. Tap it down, exhale up. This should really be the lower part of the core that you feel this in. Below the belt, down into the pelvic floor. So everything is nice and tight here. And there we go. 3 rounds, 3 exercises, day 4, done.